your local Weather Authority forecast.
Clear skies and very mild conditions are the big story this morning. A live look at the tall city. Thanks to our roof spy Nicholas Sky Tracker, we see clear skies, a little bit of haze along the horizon. Current temperature 78 degrees, warming up in the 90s in triple digits. That camera is shaking, and that's going to be the big story throughout the next couple of days. Strong winds above normal temperatures, but a little bit cooler than this past weekend. Any chances of rain off to the west of our viewing area for this morning. Those winds are pushing those clouds from south to north, and that's going to be providing still above normal temperatures today, but again, a little bit cooler than yesterday, where it hit 104 degrees in the tall city, but in many areas still above the century mark. So the National Weather Service has issued a heat advisory in effect till 8 p.m. local time, including the Van Horn Mountains, southeast New Mexico, and Marfa, Alpine, and Brewster County for, again, very warm conditions. So make sure you guys hydrate out there, and also make sure you guys have the sunglasses. We're going to be seeing ample sunshine today. That's all because of those winds from the south and east, bringing in above normal temperatures and a little bit more in the way of humidity because of the easterly component in those winds. Southeast wind at 14 miles per hour right now in the tall city, but that camera is shaking, so winds gusting already more than 30 miles per hour. Around 79 degrees for your 8 a.m. hour, way above normal for this time of year. Lower 90s by noon, upper 90s and triple digits with hot, sunny, and breezy conditions throughout the afternoon commute, with stronger winds later this evening, blowing dust at times. So make sure you guys, especially later today, keep it slow on the roads because we could be seeing blowing dust, limiting visibility at times. 70s and even lower 80s to start off this morning. Marfa, it's actually in the mid to upper 60s right now, warming up this afternoon in the 90s and triple digits for many, close to 110 degrees in Pecos in the Rio Grande, mid to upper 90s in the southern part of the Trans-Pecos because of a slight chance of rain in those locations, but the key word being slight. Still very mild overnight temperatures in the 60s and 70s. Low temperature in the tall city right around 75 degrees with a strawberry full moon. I do think you guys will be able to see it because of the mostly clear skies. Those winds from the south-southeast at 15 to 25 miles per hour, so it'll still be breezy overnight. We're going to be seeing, again, slightly higher chances of rainfall in the Trans-Pecos, some clouds and an increase also into the evening and overnight hours. And tomorrow we could be seeing more rain coverage for places that need it in the Trans-Pecos, Brewster County, the Van Horn Mountains, but in the Midland and Odessa area I do think it'll be mostly dry, dusty and gusty conditions, and temperatures a little bit cooler compared to today. In the mid to upper 90s, 97 degrees with more sunshine than clouds in the eastern Permian Basin, but in western areas, a little bit more in the way of clouds and higher chances of rainfall. Again, not the case in the Midland and Odessa area, but that might change later Wednesday and Thursday. Slightly higher chances of rainfall, but again, I think most areas will remain dry even later this week with more seasonal temperatures in the mid to upper 90s with lighter winds though, so more pleasant weather conditions on Thursday and Friday.